If you've been on the hunt for versatile, durable, and compact cookware that can take your culinary skills to the next level, look no further than this Bruntmor cast iron frying pan set. This set of 4 6x4-inch skillets is perfect for those who want precision cooking without the hassle of large bulky pans. From searing meats to baking delicious mini casseroles, these skillets can handle it all. Let's dive into why this mini cast iron skillet set is a game changer for anyone serious about cooking. Why choose the Bruntmor cast iron frying pan set? If you're tired of pans that warp under high heat or don't distribute heat evenly, the Bruntmor cast iron frying pan set will exceed your expectations. These skillets are engineered to provide superior heat retention and distribution, ensuring your meals are perfectly cooked every time. Whether you're preparing personal portions or side dishes, the versatility and durability of these mini cast iron skillets make them a kitchen essential. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Bruntmor cast iron skillets is their exceptional heat distribution. Cast iron is renowned for its ability to retain heat, and these pans are no exception. They provide uniform cooking for every dish, ensuring your food is consistently seared, sautéed, or baked to perfection. Whether you're using them on a gas, electric, ceramic, or induction cooktop, these skillets will give you reliable, even results every time. The pre-seasoned surface on these mini skillets makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. Whether you're cooking meat, eggs, pancakes, or even baking a mini casserole, the naturally non-stick surface ensures easy food release without the need for excessive oils or butter. The pre-seasoning also helps maintain the cookware's non-stick qualities over time with minimal effort. Unlike other pans that lose their effectiveness over time, the Bruntmor cast iron skillets are built for long-term use. Cast iron is famously durable, and with proper care, these skillets can last for generations. The set includes heat-resistant silicone for added comfort and safety while handling, ensuring that you can easily move the skillets even when they're hot. The skillets are also equipped with dual pouring spouts, making it easy to serve or drain liquids without the mess. These mini cast iron skillets are ideal for those who prefer cooking personal-sized meals. Each skillet's 6x4-inch size is perfect for preparing single portions or small appetizers and side dishes. Whether you're cooking for yourself or creating individual servings for guests, this set of 4 mini skillets ensures you'll have everything you need to create perfectly portioned meals. These skillets are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for a wide range of cooking techniques. Whether you're finishing off a steak in the oven or baking a small dish, these pans are designed to handle high temperatures. They're also perfect for grilling and can easily transition from stovetop to oven to grill, offering unmatched versatility in your cooking. Cleaning cast iron skillets has always been a point of contention, but not with the Bruntmor cast iron frying pan set. These skillets are easy to clean with warm water, and maintaining them is simple with occasional seasoning. After each use, just lightly season the skillets to maintain the non-stick surface and keep them in pristine condition for years to come. The durable cast iron material requires minimal maintenance, making it a low-hassle addition to your kitchen. Why invest in the Bruntmor cast iron frying pan set? The Bruntmor cast iron frying pan set is ideal for cooking smaller portions or multiple dishes simultaneously, making it perfect for appetizers, sides, or breakfasts. Its versatility allows for stovetop, searing, or baking items like mini frittatas and cornbread. Pre-seasoned for convenience, these skillets are beginner-friendly and offer even heat distribution, durability, and adaptability for seasoned cooks. With proper care, cast iron pans can last decades, making this set a reliable kitchen staple. Pros of the Bruntmor cast iron frying pan set. Pre-seasoned surface ensures easy cooking and cleaning. Heat-resistant silicone handles for safe handling. Dual pouring spouts make serving and draining easy. Oven-safe up to 500 degrees for versatile cooking options. Ideal size for small meals, appetizers, and side dishes. Durable cast iron for long-lasting use. Compatible with all heat sources, including induction. Cons of the Bruntmor cast iron frying pan set. Requires light seasoning after each use for optimal performance. Smaller size may not be suitable for large portions or families. heavy compared to non-cast iron cookware, making it less ideal for those with limited hand strength. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.